Step 1. Assemble the two-step units. Attach each step panel H to one-step suction cup assembly I, then install one-step bottom support J under each panel. Step 2. Fix the main board A to the main side suction cup assembly B, then install the two main board supports C underneath. Step 3. Assemble the feeding rack. Connect the feeding rack board D to the feeding rack connector board E, then fix the feeding rack suction cup assembly F. Step 4. Join the feeding rack assembly to the main board A and tighten all visible screws evenly. Step 5. Clean and dry the glass thoroughly, then mount the main board assembly, feeding rack assembly and two-step units onto the glass. Step 6. Insert the two stainless steel bowls L, recheck suction cups and screws, and confirm stability before use.